Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be another nail video. This time I had a company reach out to me to review their polygel kit, and this is what it looks like. I think this is I'm not sure how it works. It doesn't have a logo or anything, so I think this is like for you to make your own branding, maybe. I'm not sure, but they sent me their whole little polygel kit to try out, and they also gave me a discount, so just stay tuned to the end to hear that part. So it came with a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna show you what all it came with. So it's like seven different polygel tubes. So they're all different numbers. So like number 1 is cat. It's called cat. So these are like the ones with the magnet, like you use the magnet to create the lines. Like it came with a little magnet itself too. So this is like to do that little cat eye thing. And then the number 2 is another, it's a number 2 cat also. We'll swatch the colors a little bit. So this one's a more purplish color. Number 3 is another cat. This one's like a galaxy looking color. It's pretty. Then number 4 is Lou. Oh, this one is a color like a temperature changing, so it goes from white to blue or blue to white, one or the other. But that one changes with the like water, like the cold water or something. And then number 5 is the same thing. It goes pink to yellow, yellow to pink. I'm not sure exactly which way it goes. Number 6 is a sky blue. I'm not sure if that one does the same. Oh, these I think are glow in the dark. I don't remember. I know there's some glow in the dark ones. I think this one might be it, but it's like a blue one, blue whitish. And then number 7 is a green. This one I know for sure is a glow in the dark, so it goes from white to green. It also came with little instructions of how to use the polygel. And then what are these? The dual forms for them. The magnet for the cat eyes. And a file. It's a 180 grit file. And then this, I think this is the brush to apply the product with. It's cool, it's a black one. And yeah, that's the brush from one side. And the spatula on the other side. So that's pretty cool. So I have tried polygel before, and I really like it. Like it's easier than working with acrylic for sure. Like if you want to do it yourself, it's way easier to do polygel than acrylic in my opinion. But then again, I haven't really worked with acrylic much at all. But I have done polygel, so I enjoy it because I can do it myself completely. Oh, and then it also came with the slip solution, the polygel slip solution. So that's the whole kit right there. Sorry if you see a bunch of stuff in the background. I have the kids in here, and my sister and my brother's trying to do something in the back there too. So we're gonna swatch them in some like plastic, the sample ones, so you can see what colors and how they are, and then I'll decide what color to do on mine after that. Let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and test them out. So my sister's doing 3 and I'm doing, or she's doing 4 and I'm doing 3. And we're gonna test them out on these clear sample sticks from Nails. So yeah, we'll swatch them. You can see that they're swatching, and then we'll show you all the final product as well. Alright, so we just did swatches on these, and this is what they look like. That's an order from 1 to 7. These 3 are, the first 3 are like the cat ones with the magnetic. So I'm gonna see if they do anything. I wanted to try it out. I don't know exactly how they work, but I think these 2 are glow in the dark, and these 2 are color changing, the temperature changing. Let's see. But I'm gonna put this one and see if it does anything. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do the magnet part before I cured them or not, but they're not doing much with the magnet. Maybe I was supposed to do it before. So I'm gonna try one of these out on my nails. Like whenever I'm doing the actual part, I just remove my gel that I had on. So then we'll try at least one nail with one of these. Probably that one. I like pink or red, anything. One hand and the other hand. We'll see how they turn out at the end. So we'll show you all the process a little bit, and then the end results and our opinion, like our final thoughts on them. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we finished one hand. We're running out of time because my sister has to leave and she's my helper for these. So she actually, this is the first time working with polygel, so it was a little bit rough situation, but this is the final result. We just kind of did a sample of the colors, or 5 of them anyways. So they're still kind of like iffy, you know, but it's fine. The only thing though with this kit specifically, the biggest size of the what is it, the dual forms was a 1, and it wasn't big enough to cover from wall to wall. So there was like little, I have like little gaps on both sides of that one because I have a big thumbnail, but it still did okay. Then on the cat ones, I couldn't figure out the magnet part. I think you had to do it before it cured, and I forgot to do that, or I'm not sure. I tried to do it after curing and it didn't work. And I haven't tested it out. So this one, I think it went on kind of clear and it turned green, or this one's the glow in the dark. You can't really see it unless it's turned off. And then these 2 right here change with the water. I haven't tested it out. I don't have any cold water around here to test it, but they do change colors. I don't know if they have to be in cold water though. Oh, here, let me clean. Okay, I have a little bit of cold water that my brother stole from my fridge, so I'm gonna test it. So this is white and pink. I'm gonna see what they do. Oh, that's cool. So I think I had them backwards. So the color changing ones, let's see. I think I had it backwards. So these, the white and the pink, are actually, I think, glow in the dark maybe. And then the blue and the green are water, like the temperature changing, because like I put that one was like a light greenish and it turned to dark in the cold water, and this one turned to dark blue in cold water. So let me see if I can get it back to the color was. You see how dark it is? Let me see if I can. So you see how that one changed back to its regular bluish color, and then this one is still dark. So I'm gonna see if I can, if you can see it, the process of it turning back to light green or like clearish. So I got lighter right there, but if I dip it back into the cold water, you see how light it is. Let's see. It's dark, and then this one, and it turned dark again. Let me see if I can dip the whole. So that's like as dark as it's gonna get because I didn't do such a good job in coverage for the whole nail. But if I did, then the whole nail would be like that dark blue right there. But the tip is still green, pretty dark right there. So yeah, so I'm guessing these other ones, let me see if I can. Oh yeah. So these 2 are definitely glow in the dark ones, like if you cover your eye. If you cover them, you can see how dark they are, like the glow. And this one is the only one that was kind of like a miss for me because I forgot to do the magnet part before I cured it, or it didn't work after. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you're more like, if you have more experience with polygel, I definitely recommend this product because it's really cool colors. And or if you, even if you're a beginner and you want to try something, start trying polygel. This is a good, like, kind of big variety of colors and options for you to use. You just have to be patient and kind of learn, or like look into other tutorials on how to do it before you actually go into them. But it's pretty cool. I like these color changing ones, and if I could figure out how to do the cat one, that'd be pretty cool. But I do like this color on its own without like the cat magnetic effect. And then the glow ones, you just have to really thicken up because they're pretty light unless you like the light color. But yeah, they're pretty cool. My favorite ones I think are the color changing ones though. And they did give me a code, so it's 25 Maribel for 25% off, I believe. Let me double check, but I'll leave the link down below, and that link will automatically take you to the product with, yeah, it's 25% off on that, and it'll, like, I think it'll apply it to the kit itself. So I think the kit is $36.99 right now. It's in stock, and it is on Prime, I believe. Prime free delivery. Yeah, so it's on Prime free delivery, and that's what it's gonna look like right there. And it has the 7 polygel colors and everything that I showed you. So I definitely say give it a try, and you get the 25% off if you use my code, or the link is down below. Just click that link and it'll take you directly to the product and apply the code automatically, I believe. If not, it's 25 Maribel. I'll leave it down below as well in the description box. But yeah, I think this code is only available for a couple weeks, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, so I'd say if you want to try it, go as soon as possible. I think it's only available through beginning of June, if that. I'm not exactly sure on the exact day, but it started on the 19th, which is today that I'm recording, but I'm not sure when it'll go up. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, go ahead and buy it if you want to try it, so before it sells out and before my code runs out. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget, if you like these type of videos, subscribe. We're gonna try and do different videos later on. I need to get back into doing a lash video because I haven't posted one in a while, but right now I've been doing into nails. Like, people have been reaching out for me to test out polygel, so I'm doing it. But yeah, hope you liked this video. Hope you found it useful in any way, and don't forget to subscribe. The link for the items is down below. It's 25% off if you use that link or my code 25 Maribel. And that's it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.